Sa video na to, pag-aaralan natin paano ba gamitin ang ating mga calculators sa pag-solve ng permutation. So, meron tayo dito mga problems. So, kailangan nating hanapin yung permutation, yung n, or yung r. So, depende kung ano yung hinahanap natin. So, dito, kailangan natin ng trial and error, especially pag large yung numbers na involved. So, we have here this one, permutation of 6, taken 6 at a time. So, we have, pag gamitan natin to siya ng formula, ang magiging itsura nito is like this. Permutation of 6 taken 6 at a time is equal to 6 factorial over 6 minus 6 factorial. So, 6 factorial is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, right? And 6 minus 6 is 0 factorial, and we all know that 0 factorial is equal to 1. So, that is 6 factorial is equal to, what is 6 factorial? 6 times 5 times 3 times 2 times 1. 6 factorial. It is 720. So the answer here is 720. Now, I have here an online calculator. Sige, tingnan natin itong online calculator natin. So, we have here, as you can see, meron tayo ditong ito. This one, yung nPr, is what we call the permutation. Ito yung button for permutation. This one is the button for permutation. Now, in your calculator, especially if you're using scientific calculator, makikita nyo dyan sa calculator nyo, kung hindi man siya sa first function, is kailangan yung i-shift para makita nyo yung nPr. So, ito yung hahanapin ninyo. So, iba-iba yung pagpindot, depende kung anong klaseng calculator ang ginagamit ninyo. So, for this online calculator, ang first na gagawin is pwede nyong pindutin yung nPr. And sinasabi dito na ilagay daw natin yung n. Ilagay natin yung n, tapos yung ating r. So, ating n is 6, right? And ang n natin is 6. We have, ang ating r is 6. So, as you can see, nakita nyo, ito yung sa formula, right? Yung n natin is 6. This is n minus r. So, let's solve. So, the answer here is 720. Okay? So, the answer here is 720. Now, using your, let's go back with this one. Using your scientific calculator, so meron dyan, hanapin nyo yung button na merong nPr. Hanapin nyo yung button ng nPr. So, ito yung hahanapin niyo, nPr. Now, in your scientific calculator, it is different. Kasi ang first na isusulat nyo or ipipindutin nyo is yung n. Kasi ito yung sequence dapat natin. So, ang unang yung pipindutin nyo is yung n. Ilan ba yung n natin? 6. After you press 6, hanapin nyo yung nPr. Ang nPr yata, kailangan nyo mag-shift. Kailangan nyo magpindot ng shift. Tapos, pindutin nyo yung nPr. Then, after that, pindutin naman niyo yung 6. Kasi ang format kasi sa calculator is magiging ganito, 6p6. So, ganyan yung lalabas. And after that, you're going to press the equal sign. And, meron din tayo sa calculator yung x factorial. So, ginagamit din ito siya sa permutation. So, halimbawa, 6 factorial. So, pindutin lang ninyo yung 6 sa calculator. Then, hanapin nyo yung x factorial. I think shift, naka-shift siya. Sa second function siya, shift ninyo siya. Tapos, hanapin yung x factorial. So, ang lalabas dyan sa calculator is 6 factorial. So, pag i-press ninyo yan, equal sign. So, that is equal to 720. Okay? So, let's proceed with, sige, sagutan natin. For number 2, ano ba yung number 2 natin? For number 2, we have permutation of 7, taking r at a time, pero yung permutation niya is equal to 840. We all know that n is equal or greater than or equal to r. So, ibig sabihin yung r dito pwedeng 7, pwedeng, mas maliit siya dapat, diba? Kasi mas mataas or equal siya sa n. So, pwede siyang 7, pwede siyang 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, i-try natin. We will have a trial and error. I-try natin, dapat maging equal yung sagot sa 840. Let's go back with our online calculator. Sige, try natin yung permutation of 7 taken 7. Mag-start tayo sa 7 at a time. Sige, let's try what is the answer here. Okay, the answer is 540. So, 840 kasi siya. So, let's try another number. Let's try if yung R natin is 6. Ay, sorry. Ano yun? Tagot natin. This one. So, the answer is 5040 also. Let's try if this is 5. Okay, 2520. Hindi rin. So, let's try another one. 5, 4, 840. So, the answer here, okay, balikan natin yung given. So, the answer here is 4. 4 yung ating R. So, the answer here is 4. So, the answer here is 720. And here, we have the answer is, yung R natin is 4. Let's proceed with this one. Permutation of n, taking R at a time. So, ibig sabihin, for this one, we will try, dapat yung n natin is greater than or equal to 3. So, kung 3 ito siya, let's try. Dapat 6 yung sagot, no? So, we will have trial and error also. So, I will discuss only few examples here. Siguro itong first 5 na lang. So, the rest will be your activity, but not to be submitted. Okay? So, let's try. So, we have permutation of, let's try 5. Permutation of 5 taken 3 at a time equals, okay, 60. So, we have identify n, which is 60. So, yung value ng n natin dito is 60. 60. So, sorry. Ang value ng n natin dito is 5. So, n natin dito is 5. Same also with this one. Ganun din ang hanapin din natin. Ibig sabihin, mas mataas yung number. So, pwede natin increase 5. Let's say 8. Try natin ang 8. Let's try 8. Okay, for this, by using a calculator, pwede nyo gamitan ng trial and error. You can have the trial and error. So we have, gamitin natin yung kanina, no? This one, let's try is if 8 siya. Equals. So 360, hindi din. Let's try 9. 504. So let's check if 504 ba siya. Yes, 504. Ibig sabihin, yung n natin is equal to 9. Nothing is equal to 9. Okay, this one, yung n natin dito is equal to 9. The last one is permutation of 10, taking 5 at a time. So, gamitin natin siya ng calculator, online calculator natin. Sige. Permutation of 9 taken, permutation of 10, rather. Permutation of 10 taken 5 at a time. So, we have, the answer is 30,240. So, 30,240. So, we have here 30,000. 30,420. At 240 rather. 240. Raise natin ito. 240. Okay, you may try this one as your exercise, but not to be submitted. You may try. Ito, hanapin nyo yung R. So, R is equal or less than dapat siya sa N. Hindi siya pwedeng maging mataas sa 8, no? Ito naman, permutation of 8 taken R at a time. Permutation of N taken 4 at a time. So, N natin is equal or greater than 4, dapat. 12 naman, permutation of 12 taken R at a time. So, yung R natin is, pwede siyang equal sa 12 or less than 12. Ito naman, the same also with this one. Pwede siyang equal to 13 yung R natin or less than 13. Okay, so you may use your calculator actually in solving permutation. Basta, ang importante, alam niyo ano yung gagamitin niyo sa permutation. Ano ba yung sinasabi sa problem? Hindi siya pwedeng formula kaagad ang gagamitin. So, kailangan pag-aralan, analyze the problem first. Malay nyo circular permutation siya or malay nyo distinguishable permutation siya. For us to answer best yung mga problem, pwede kayo mag-illustrate para maintindihan nyo maigi yung mga problems. So that's all for using your calculator in dealing with permutation. Thank you and God bless everyone.